In this short video, we outlines 5 effective methods to enhance Wi-Fi speed without the need for a router upgrade. 1. Move the router. Positioning is crucial for optimal Wi-Fi performance. Placing your router in a central location, away from walls and obstructions, can significantly improve signal strength. Avoid placing it near electronic devices that may interfere with the signal, such as microwaves. 2. Reboot your router and modem. Regularly rebooting your router and modem can resolve temporary issues and clear cache problems. This simple action can help the devices reconnect to less congested channels, potentially improving speed. 3. Limit unnecessary connections. Utilizing quality of service (QoS) settings allows you to prioritize bandwidth for critical devices or applications, such as gaming or video streaming. This ensures that essential services receive adequate bandwidth while deprioritizing less important tasks. 4. Adjust the router antennas. If your router has external antennas, adjusting their angles can enhance coverage. For optimal performance, position at least one antenna horizontally and another vertically to improve signal distribution throughout your home. 5. Switch frequency bands. Changing the frequency band or channel can alleviate network congestion, especially in densely populated areas. Most routers allow users to select less congested channels for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, which can lead to better performance. By implementing these strategies, we can potentially boost Wi-Fi speeds without incurring additional costs associated with new hardware.